my desktop.
Yeah, that's better now. So you just share from your desktop.
Okay. You need to give me permission.
Yeah, sure. That's true. That's true. I'm granted information.
Okay. Can you see my screen? So from the video that I watched, you said support is basically anywhere we see it's a way to like set up market structures, right? So understand like when buying is happening and when selling is happening as well. We can also know the I've forgotten the word that you used to describe it, but like
Bullish and
is it
bearish
the
markets.
bullish and bearish markets? Thank you. So from the video, you're like anywhere we see maybe these candles, right, for the reds, like it doesn't move past that point, then that's a support. And anywhere we see buys happening and it doesn't break past that ceiling, that's a resistance.
So do you guys know? Let me just put this in. Do you guys know that you can change your candlestick color? So you can sometimes mine. I'm just using red and green. Originally, mine was not red and green. Mine was white and black. Ash and black.
Uh,
So candlestick color does not really differentiate. It's not really what differentiates the sell candle and buy candle. It's just color.
I see.
So Mark, let me see. Where's your support?
This,
Where's your okay? That is support, right?
yeah, this is a support because I think how do you draw it to a triangle? It's here, goes there, comes back. Might have to do another one.
That is not the two you have to use. Go to you are looking for the part two. The part two is inside where you drew your rectangle
Oh, this,
part.
this. Okay, so I can delete. How do I delete this?
You can just continue. You can delete it later. Mhm.
Yeah. Then it goes back up here. It doesn't meet the line here, but this is the path.
Yeah, exactly. Mhm.
So yeah, one, two, three.
Okay, that's your support there. Then now you're analyzing previously. Both use what's happening currently and use a current chart to mark your support and resistance. Yeah, it's in a 15-minute time frame though. Do you know?
Yeah, yeah. Do you want me to switch it to 5?
No, 1 hour, 4 hours.
1 hour and 4 hours.
Yeah, I
Okay.
like analyzing on the higher time frame because less noise. You see the actual thing right here. So now you
Okay.
see the actual thing that's happening. So now where is your supporter? You can see your previous support now is kind of like invalid. So now where is your
Yeah.
supporter? Where's your resistance now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. One, two. For resistance. Shit. Where is?
Can you hear me, Michelle? Can everybody hear me here?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
can
can hear you.
It's from your side. So what is that?
This is the resistance.
Okay, cool. You have to draw
Yeah.
it across like to your current where price is per head. Draw it to the future. Always draw it to the future.
Okay.
So, because what you're practically saying is when you draw resistance,
Mm-hmm.
what you're practically saying is anytime price gets there, you're expecting price to what?
To go back down.
Yeah. So that's exactly what you're saying anytime drawing resistance.
Okay. Okay. And then for support, it's kind of hard to do it, but let me try. I think I'll just have to take this out from, how do I remove
And delete
this?
it.
Yeah.
No. Up, stop. Go up. If you click on it,
Yeah.
you start like this thing pop up. Mhm.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay, this. All right. So let's see.
Just look at where price has been where sales has been rejecting from. Look on your chart where you see sales rejecting from mostly. Where do you think sales have been rejecting from? Can you hear me? Hope you can see that with me. Okay. Look, yeah.
This will be support.
Okay. Look, that is what your support.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. But can still take it down a bit.
Like, you mean like reverse it this way?
Down. Yeah. Like let it sit below because the support, let it sit below the week, the candlestick.
Yeah.
Drag it again. Yeah, drag it down a bit small. It's okay.
Yeah.
So you can just draw it to the future a bit more.
It's on the same line as the resistors.
So yeah, can you give us one more example? Another pair. You like BTC USD a lot. It's like you like Salah. Like you're holding Bitcoin.
I'm not holding this gun at all, I'm fair. Just like it because it feels like it's the least volatile. It looks easier to reach. It looks.
That's not true. Anyway, for you though.
Let's see. I think for the support,
You know what pair this is?
X gold USD basically.
Exactly.
Yeah. So let's see if there is going to be a support line, it will probably be okay, so I should draw it to the future. Here and here.
Yeah.
That would be the support.
Look at our price. So now what I mean that if price sells back to that place, we should be expecting what? A buy, right?
Yes. The price what?
If price sells, currently price is selling, if you look at it.
Yeah.
So if price continues selling back to that your support, you're practically saying price should buy.
Yeah. At this point, it wouldn't break through, right? It's like it would reverse.
Yeah. So now draw your resistance. Why you got
Distance. Okay, I'll probably have to look for like let's see. Because it's broken past a lot.
Yeah. Just whatever you feel like is the resistance, just draw it. Yeah, learning.
Okay. It might not be as recent because right now it looks like it's breaking past a lot.
Yeah, why? It's breaking past your support because I said a little bit about it yesterday.
Yeah.
This is how you now figure out your bullish or bearish markets. Yeah. Once price is breaking through any structure, whether a resistance, okay, if it's breaking through your resistance structure, that means that
Yeah.
market is becoming bullish. That market
Yeah.
is not becoming, that market is bullish.
Bullish.
If the price is now breaking through your support levels, that means that market is bearish. You understand?
Okay.
So, but for extra confirmation, this is how we say, okay, a market is really bearish. We wait for at least price to break at least two of our supports.
Okay.
So we wait for price to break at least two of our support levels. So you cannot give a confirmation that, okay, price is going to actually sell. You understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's just say this was a resistance, right? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
right? This was a resistance, but it
Right.
has broken through.
Yeah.
I think that's what you said. If it breaks through twice, one here and one here. So it was bullish at this point,
Yeah.
but now it's bearing down, and
Yeah.
that's kind of bearish.
Bearish. You get the concept. So now this is how you should take your trades here. Let me explain something for you guys now. Easy, very easy.
Okay.
So now, if you see if price start moving like this, if you see price break through your support, your resistance. This is a resistance now. This is a proper market structure. There's always a tendency, a 80% probability, 80 to 90% that price is going to come back to that resistance it broke up from and retest on it, thereby turning that resistance it broke up from to support for it to not buy. So now, this is how to trade support and resistance. You will always sell from what? A resistance and buy from what? A support. That is the law of trading. That is the rule.
Can I say some more time?
You must always buy from a support and sell from a resistance.
Makes sense.
That is the rule for trading. So you can see at every support level, you see price buy. As resistance level, price will sell. You understand? So you must always buy from a support and sell from a resistance. Now, again, but you will not just do that blindly. You have to do that with this concept in mind that you must only buy when the market is bullish and you must only sell when the market is bearish. Are you guys following?
Yeah.
So now, for you to do that, you have to wait for price to break through your resistance to confirm that it's bullish. Yeah. Then also wait for price to give you a support that you cannot buy from. Like this here now. This is a good entry for your buys. Can't look at price bots. You have made your money. Yes, and this is kind of trade you're talking about. So now again, that price has broken through this support. What are you waiting for? Waiting for price to come back and retest. You understand?
Yes.
Retest that support it broke out from. If you put it down, it will probably give you like 300 pips. I said it's
Yeah.
290 something, close to 300. Because most of my students, most of my boys took this trade this week. They have been making money off gold.
Shit.
So,
Yeah.
in fact, let me just, from most of my students, more than 60, 70% of my students trades only this pair. I don't know why. But they just like the pair, and I've talked and tired, and well, they just like it. But the thing about this pair is very volatile. It will give you money, it can also take your money fast. You understand? It gives you fast money, it can also take your money fast.
Yeah.
You
I
understand?
tried trading it yesterday.
So that is
I
the
did more accounts.
account.
It wasn't. No, I didn't blow it. Thank God. I I didn't blow it, but it was bad. Like I tried multiple times, but it was just bouncing. And I think if I had done this class yesterday,
Yeah.
it would have helped me. So I was always entering at the wrong time.
Okay.
So I had one. Let me open my Vantage so I can tell you what I had before I entered trades yesterday. So
Take your live account.
No. I didn't use my live account. I used my demo.
Okay.
So I previously had 115, but now it has dropped to 87.
It is
So it's not too bad.
it's not
Not
too
too
bad
bad.
because they are following risk management. Yeah,
Yes, like not
not
too
too
bad.
bad
I
for
saw
you.
the
Yeah.
moment I saw that I was on a losing streak, I'm like, okay, maybe I'll just stop
Yes,
and
now
come back
once,
at the
once you realize that you're losing streak, that means you're doing something wrong. That is how to follow risk
yeah,
management. That is what they call risk management. Once you realize, okay,
yeah,
I'm on a losing streak, you know that you are doing something wrong. Just stop what you are doing.
yeah.
But once you've lost 2 times, it's okay to pause. But if you are that stubborn, 3 times should be okay before you blow your account. You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go back to OSC. So you can see,
Uh,
so now on this gold trade now, we are probably waiting because this is definitely kind of like a sale market on this time frame. You understand? So we are just waiting for price, but there's news, there's NFP today. That is the crazy part. This NFP by 130. So
okay.
see, I did not even say minutes, I said seconds.
Seconds.
So see how volatile it is. So
Yes, that was what was happening yesterday. I was so confused. Because like if I set like the time frame to maybe like 5 minutes or so, like I would enter trading view, right? And I would see it counting, like showing me how much time is left. And within that same time frame,
yeah.
I'm still losing on it, even though it's showing like maybe a selling trend.
Yeah, it's because normally when you enter a trade, when you enter a trade, automatically your broker charges you spread. I talked about spread yesterday. The first,
Yeah,
I don't know if you went, you're in the first class now. So
yeah,
spread is the commission your broker charges you on every trade you take. Yes.
yeah,
So I explained a little bit about spread. So this is how spread works. So usually they have commission-based charge and they have spread-based charge. Those are the two types. Commission-based charge will just remove the charges from your account balance. Yeah,
yeah.
from your trading balance. But spread-based charge, they will remove it from PIP. Yes,
Mm,
they'll remove it from your PIP. So let's say you enter this trade. Let's say you enter a buy here, but your broker has put your entry here.
yeah.
The price has to move to this point before you start seeing profits.
Oh,
Yeah, sir. So price now has to buy to it gets to this PIP value to this point before you start seeing profits. I'll
okay.
just give you an example. This is not
So
the exact calculation, but I'll just give you an
yeah.
example of how it works. You understand? Yeah.
So basically, if I know what their spread is,
Yeah, they usually show you. They usually show you what their spread is. They usually show you on your MetaTrader 5.
yeah,
MetaTrader 5
is
is
there any way to
actually,
like account for it? Like, is that when you're trying to maybe calculate your lot size
yeah.
or the amount of pips you buy? Do you also factor it in?
Yes, you factor it into when you are calculating your
Okay,
pips, the amount of pips for
yeah,
your stop loss and the amount of pips for your take profits. You also factor in
okay,
spread. But sometimes it's not that much. Sometimes it's small. But during news, when there's news, spread is always high. But most times it's only when there's news you see spread become high. You understand?
okay,
But when there's no
yeah,
news,
yeah,
usually very low. It's as low as can be as low as 2 pip difference. Yes, that it can be as low as 2 pip difference, 3 pip difference, 5 pip max. Max if there's no news. It sometimes doesn't even get to 5 pips, but 2 pip, 3 pip. That's the difference. Usually 2 pip, 3 pips. This stuff. So I'm just giving you an example of how spread works. So that must be why when you enter a trade, you see that the trade is going your way, but you're still in loss. It's because of spread.
yes. Like it confused me like mad.
So that was the reason why.
Yeah,
So now let's go back to support and resistance. So basically, yeah, this is just how support and resistance works. That is the idea behind it, and this is just how to trade it. You understand? For so like I said, I don't know if you guys understood what I said about support and resistance, how to use it to know the market structure, bullish and bearish markets. You understand? It's very,
yeah,
very easy. Is first thing first, this is I do this thing too. It's not like I'm just teaching you this particular support and resistance. I do it every time I open my chart. I make use of it every time I open my charts. You understand? I make use of it every time I open my charts. If the first thing I do when I open my chart is mark your support, mark your resistance. That is the first thing I do once I open my charts. I mark my support, I mark my resistance. Yes, sir. That is the first thing I do before any other thing. Because I want to know, okay, is there any possible place? Because anytime I take my trade, I want to know that, okay, is there any possible place price can reverse from? You understand? I want to be aware of everything, every point, every zone on the chart. I want to know every zone on the charts. You understand? The zones are, in case you don't know, zones are places on your chart price reacts from. Support and resistance is a zone. So there are different zones on the chart. We have Fib zone, we have trend line zone, we have support and resistance zone. This for price action. Then we have yes, we have support and resistance, we have Fib, we have trend line. This for price action. Then other strategies have their zones. But for price action, support and resistance, trend line, and Fib, which I'm going to teach you. These are the three main topics I'll be teaching in this class. So now we are dealing with support and resistance. From next week, we'll be looking at trend line. Yes, that trend is quite similar to this. If you understand support and resistance very well, trend will be easy for you. Trend will be very, very easy for you to know if you understand support and resistance very well. So, quick fact again about support and resistance. Support is a place whereby you can find surplus buyers, while resistance is somewhere where you can find surplus sellers. Yes, that. And how do you use your support and resistance to identify a market structure? When price breaks through your resistance, you tend to see that market is what? Bullish. When price breaks through your support, you tend to see that market is what? Bearish. Which I just give you an example here, two examples here. Yes, that. So, and again, anytime price breaks through your support or your resistance, it's an 80% probability that price comes back to retest that zone like we look from. You understand? There's a probability that price comes back to retest that zone in local from. Yes, sir. So when price breaks through your resistance, yes, you start beginning to look for a buy. So you wait for price to come back and give you a support, probably retest on the zone you broke out from and give you a support before you buy. You understand? Same thing for when price breaks to your support. When price breaks to your support, you see that the market is becoming bearish. So what do you look out for? You look out for sales. And how do you sell? You wait for price to retest the support you broke out from. Start turning that support to resistance before you sell. Are we making sense? Another example, Mr. Wolf, let's look at another chart. GBPUS or any other chart you feel like. Let's look at it. One more example. We'll not really do much today. We'll soon wrap up.
GBPUSD, that's what I'm trading on now.
GPUS, let me clean this thing on your screen.
Thank you. I should still leave it on this 1 hour time frame.
Huh?
I should still leave it on this 1 hour
I
time
need
frame.
1 hour, 4 hours. I like to see the higher the time frame, the stronger your bias.
Yeah.
The higher time frame gives you a clearer picture
Of what's actually happening.
of what is actually happening. You are seeing the overall picture of what is actually happening on the charts. You understand? It tells you what's actually happening. So go to this place on your charts. Volume is under that GPPS. There's an arrow under VOL. Go up a bit.
Yeah.
Down, small. Just going down. Go down.
Volume.
Yeah, delete it. Delete it. Yeah. See, that stuff. This is what it's done. It's an indicator. So you have deleted it. So now, yeah, mark. Sure. Yeah, let's go again. Mark out. This market now is kind of like different. You know, I say that if market is not bullish, where is the market? Currently now, you look at it. Failing to give you a new resistance. The price is failing to give you a new mark your chart so you see what I'm talking about. Market.
Yeah.
Support, market support and resistance. Just anywhere you feel your support, just do it. Correct if you are wrong. So why are you drawing now? Support Start.
What am I drawing now? Support.
Can reduce the angle. It's too big. It's too
I think this is
carry
the,
on.
this is the support for this is the support, and the resistance is here. Yeah. Yeah, it's here.
So now you can see price has not yet broken your resistance of support yet. Why is you know what this market is waiting for? It's waiting for news and okay. It's waiting for NFP before it actually breaks to your target. If not farm payroll.
Okay, non-farm payrolls and unemployment rates.
Yeah, that's it. If you're in the US, you're supposed to know about NFP.
Yeah.
So it's just calculation of job, use number of job, unemployment people and stuff. Yes. So now look at price rejecting from your support, and also price is still failing to break your resistance. Something's happening. It's either the market wants to become a regime market, or it's just waiting for this news to happen. So when price is not breaking your support or your resistance, you tend to see that market is a regime market. Are you with me? You tend to see that market is a regime market when price is not breaking your support or your resistance. You start. So on the ranging market, all you just do is like trading a bounce. It's like you just buy from your support and it's scalping. It's more of scalping. You're not looking to hold that trade for. You're not looking for a much risk to reward. You just want to make money. You understand? So if you're trading a ranging market, you're scalping. And though it's not mostly advisable for beginners, but you can just it's something you guys to make quick money. So you just sell from your resistance and buy from your support. But currently now we still don't know what this market wants to do. You have to wait for it to break this resistance before you know the next step for it to follow. You understand? You don't do anything when price is not when you are not seeing what you know. You understand? You don't do anything when price is not giving you what you know.
Yeah.
Like currently now, this market has not broken the resistance, it has broken support. It's just there. You too, you just be there.
Makes sense.
You understand? You don't do anything because it's not every time you should trade. You're not meant to trade every time. You understand? You're not meant to trade every time.
Let's see.
So are we good?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
No. Okay, let me.
You can stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
see now. See what I'm doing. Do it again. So you click on it. You hold your mouse down, then drag it across the area you want to zoom. Make sure that this box that is coming out
Okay.
covering that area.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. That is right.
Make sure that the box is covering it. So I'll stop sharing. Let me see what you're doing. Yeah. Yes. Adjust your screen. You're doing too much. Go back, zoom out. Don't do it too much. Zoom out.
Okay.
Just only the place you want to zoom in on. That's where you are. You let the box cover. It's okay. So you can just move. It's okay. Click on your screen and move your charts right. Hold it down and just move your charts right. It's okay. Good.
I should zoom it again.
No, don't zoom it again. It's okay.
Okay.
So now just mark your supports and your resistance lighting.
This is the resistance, right?
Yeah. So drag it ahead, drag it across. Drag it, drag it, drag it. Drag it more to where prices ends. Okay. So now where's your support? Where do you think is your support? Yeah, I got
Down
pick
here.
your rectangle. Wherever you think is your support. You have to drag it to you're not dragging it back. You're taking it. If you want to drag, you're taking it to this side. Drag it to leave it where you were. Just leave it as it was before.
Okay.
You stood down. Look at it. Don't drag, take it up. It's okay. But there's another support there too. You might know more. Or price as these GG charts. Price as kind of yeah. That area. Oh
Yeah.
that section, yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yes, draw it across. It's okay. Just draw, yeah. Then draw it to the other side too. So you can reduce the box a bit. It's too. Stuff. So I think you know how to spot your support and your resistance.
Yeah,
you just need to know how
trying.
to make use of the tools. That's just your problem.
Okay.
You need to practice more. Be using your laptop more to analyze, to draw. You understand? Using your laptop more to draw. So you'll be good at using all these tools.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So is there any other question you guys want to ask? Are we all good?
I'm good.
Good, right? Okay, so you guys should have a nice weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday.